welcome to another episode. Today, or tonight actually, as I should say, we're going to do a quick little install on David's EF. We're going to put his new VR lip on it and change up some bulbs. But before that, the homie David. Dave, what'd you get today, bro? I heard you got a coupon.
You did?
Yeah, he got a coupon.
Literally just like 5 minutes ago.
So David got nabbed as we left Tim Hortons for his front license plate. And so Dave, what do you got there? Look at that.
It's a green Groupon.
So is that a Groupon like you use at like Walmart or something?
Yeah.
So we're at the coin up over here on Mavis and Dundas, and we are going to change this busted ass hanging VR lip for his new VR lip. And then we're going to be going to Port. What is it? Port Credit? Port, what is it? It's Port Credit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to Port Credit. We're going to take some pretty sick shots of all the cars. I'm riding in the EL tonight. Give the ES1 a break. As you can see, it's a little bit nippy over here. Kev's being a little camera shy.
I hate camera.
And Dave is just finishing his food, and we're gonna get started. Goodbye, lip. He just literally ripped this right off. We're gonna save this little screw, and fuck, that's fucking low. Let's do it.
And we are back. 6 hours later.
12 hours later.
The struggle is real.
You might not have tools by the time you use it.
That's almost a guarantee. Put them all over there. Good news is all we gotta do is put $4 in just to wash our hands. Alright, David, walk me through. Now what do we do?
We don't have to pick up the bolts, so we pick up the bolts.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright.
All right.
Fuck, yo. You gotta take out your bumper lights, the fucking screws on the side,
Yeah,
crash bar, just take out the fucking bumper on this thing.
Yeah, the EKG is so much fucking easier.
And we are not there yet.
Couple
Oh,
lips.
the clips don't even exist on the
Yeah,
GZ
that's
case anymore.
The shadow clips.
Mine's five screws on the top, one bolt on each side, and that's it.
Yeah?
What's up?
Mine's like no screw, just clipped in, quick releases.
Goes very smart.
Did you put the screw back in on the rail?
Yeah.
It was like a week and a half ago. It's like a week and a half ago, so I was just wondering.
That's not good. It's literally chilling my book. Alright. So all of those the cameramen for tonight while we're doing this good install?
The cameraman.
What?
Nope. Yeah.
You need a microphone for
Yeah,
that's-
and dude, his voice has gone up a couple of notches already. It's good.
Does anybody have a light?
A light?
Where are you gonna spark one up now?
Jesus, focus, man.
There you go.
I can't see where the bolts are.
Yeah, I'll be the light guy. Okay.
I'll do it.
So 14.
Where's that?
This is a 14.
That's a
12.
14?
Yeah,
Give
so
me 12.
maybe a 12. 12, 14 maybe.
12 for sure.
Usually it's 10 or 12.
There's no 13 on 100, bro.
No.
Unless someone's fucked it up.
Yo, we gotta try to penetrate the new lip with the screw.
Huh?
It's gonna be a bitch, but you gotta fucking make your own hole now. It's really drill what it can.
It's probably truck. All my tools.
That's we'll make it work. How many screws is this gonna take?
There's 200.
That's it? Probably a little bit more.
I had some big self-tappers.
He's got some nice self tappers. I gotta actually take out the one self tapper. Yeah, he's got on this. Also, you make a fine YouTuber. Like the most steadiest cameraman.
What do you want me to do? Shake over here?
No, don't shake the shit. I don't think the people are ready for that. Alright, so we're down one side.
6 years later.
Jesus Christ. He's actually doing alright. He's doing pretty quick.
So, Alto, I see you put some new things on the night gen today.
Huh?
Yeah, you heard me. Put a little G16 door cards and banner. Looking,
I thought that was the cameraman.
yeah, well, they don't need me right now. They was doing a fine job. Kev also got some goodies for the EG yesterday.
Oh, this is for the fucking.
Getting everything ready for next week for the fundraiser at Garage 16. Probably be the last time the Spooniest one will be out. The last time the EG will be out. Alto, you're not driving your car this winter, are you?
Maybe like once a week.
A knife?
Yeah.
Like what kind of knife?
Like something to cut the zip tie.
The one thing I don't have is a knife, bro.
Later.
So we got a zip tie stopping us from pulling out the bumper right now, and none of us have a knife. But making some pretty good progress. Quick little install. Get some more footage of this beautiful four-door EF. Just a basic night chilling out. The things you do. The things you do. The places that you do them.
11 minutes later.
Came back from the washroom at the gas station,
It's harder to hold the fucking screw.
and the boys are halfway done.
I should have just brought my tools, my drilling shit, and self-tappers.
You still want the drill.
Yeah, it's alright. Nothing a little bit of wrist motion.
Yeah, but like, sometime I want to actually drill and pull like nice bolts and washers because this is gonna rip sooner or later, to be honest.
Yeah.
Well, yo, self tappers are pretty strong, bro.
Well, but yeah, you can do self-tap, put the hole, and then just put a 9 bolt.
Yeah, and I'll hold them more from the inside.
Get the
Yeah, like after
Garage
just have,
16
like, a
kit.
couple.
Get the Garage 16 kit, and then just it's a 10 mil. Just put washers in behind.
Look at that wrist. Look at that wrist action.
5 minutes later.
Swapped out the clear bulb for the amber bulbs now on his new clear turn signals. Fuck. 2.5, almost 3 months. This fucking EF's fucking transformed a lot, bro. It's like Dave's EF this year is like Kev's EG last year. In like a matter of 2 months, Kevin fucking transformed the EG last year.
Yo, that bumper is fucking heavy.
It is, bro.
God damn.
You need to wait in the front, man.
So Kev,
Yeah,
what's your next mod?
parking it.
Yeah, but what are you gonna put on it when you're parked? Or are you done this year?
I'm done this year.
Every time he says he's done this year, he ends up buying more parts.
I only got the stroke bar because I returned the other shit, right?
How about you pop the hood so we can see the new strut bar?
Go ahead.
Show-
You know where the latch is.
Bro, it's kind of hard to do everything. Let's go.
Carpet's already out already.
Number one parts shop, garage 16. Kev picked up these nice red EG mats. His interior's coming along. I'll give you a full exterior view from the rear end. The cleanest EG in the GTA, in my opinion. Woo! Look at that strut tower bar. That's right, it's a single jingle. Kev's got some plans for this thing, don't you, Kev?
Oh yeah. I don't know what they are yet, but
Clean, clean, clean. And it doesn't even need a supercharger to make people butthurt. Kevin getting himself blocked on Instagram
that's okay.
just for being humble. And Dave's Kindro inspired EF. Buddy Club P1 rims. Fucking beautiful. Take a look at Alto's 9th gen. The guys are, their cars are coming along pretty well, man. I love watching my buddies' cars transform into masterpieces. Like I said, one of the biggest cars that transformed was Kev's EG. And now I'm just trying to get him to do some more motor work on that thing. So he can,
Another time. We'll see. Maybe we'll
he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. One thing that 100% never fails about Kev EG is his impatience.
Oh yeah.
Like, he's got a dope ass single cam. Give it a little bit more ponies and just send it.
I have to do the side markers though. I've had those things for 4 years now. I still haven't put them in. I gotta find someone to cut my fenders.
I know a guy.
I gotta go to
That's the guy. So David's EF is all put back together. Looking mighty fine. He's got a proper VR lip. And now we're gonna go for a little cruise and take some pics. So we made it to the GO station. Taking some pics of the cars, chilling out, shooting the shit. Probably one of the last weekends that we're gonna have with all the cars out before we park it for the winter. This guy just doesn't stop sending it.
Fucking send it.
Fucking send it.
That's it.
That's it. Pretty nice lineup. All 4 cars. Wish we had the rest of the guys with us, but they're tied up with other things. You see Kevin and Alto taking some pics for the gram, and probably just gonna try to do like a little video with the cars and whatnot. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, that's been our night, just chilling out, doing stupid shit like we normally do. And yeah, man, so I'm gonna leave it here, make a little video of the cars, probably put a banger beat in the back. No, David? Yeah. So
We're not.
all right, guys, till next time, send it.
Send the motherfucker!
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.